This is J.S. Anand. I'm a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. I'm doing the journaling practice. Today morning I got up at 5:30 again, and after that got ready. Then started my yoga session. After that I came for sun gazing. I have made a small video on sun gazing also, and now I am doing the journaling practice. This After this I have to do the mouth exercises, then tongue twisters, and then the speed reading, and then the next the program will be on shadowing and imitation technique, which I have not yet fully started, just doing the warm-up sessions only. I have start doing them, practicing them, and then I think will be somewhere near the perfection, which is going to take some more practice, some more time, and some more rehearsals which I have to do. So the warm up exercises followed by the sessions which we have to do of shadowing, and the other sessions also I am attending on grammar, phraseology, phrases, and the cherry berry session. That all sessions I have attended. One is, I think, yeah, I have to still yet to attend that session. I already joined the breathing session, and Parveen Vadalkar is daily coming up with new courses, and I have joined some of them. I'll be participating and then sharing my experience slowly, and this also I'll be continuing. So multiple activities are there on the schedule, which I'll be following one by one. Some of them will be combined, some of them will be separated, and then the my routine visits to the office, which is there at 4 o'clock today, with some celebrations and some monthly meets where the programs and reviews are done and the future planning is done. At the same time, the uh, those who are performing, they are recognized, they are rewarded, given certificates. Some ceremonies are done, and we have to witness those ceremonies, because sometimes I am also the part of that ceremony. So this is what I wanted to say in this small journaling session. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. I will be stopping here at this point and then continue with the other sessions of mouth exercises and tongue twisters. I am signing out now. Thank you. Bye.